Okay, so next we'll see discrete and continuous only, but we'll see that what is their impact on maps and colors. So let's go to our Tableau workbook over here, and let's go to maps and colors. So let me clear out this visualization for you. Now, if I would like to see what is the impact of using a discrete versus a continuous variable for coloring a map, then I can see over here. So I'm trying to plot a map over here. This is states, and I'm plotting a map. So these are the various states of United States. Now over here, if I would like to check the states corresponding to the categories, I'm placing categories over here. So we can see that all the states are shown with a symbol, and different categories are shown with different colors. So instead of category over here, if I will use a subcategory, that will be more visual to you guys. So I'm placing subcategory in colors. So you see over here, for different subcategories I've got different colors, but in each of these states I get a symbol. Okay, I can change the symbol, I can make it the type of symbol I want to. But instead of using a discrete value in color as compared to subcategory, if I would have used a continuous variable, then the scenario would have been different. So when I'm using a discrete variable, I get different colors for each subcategory, and for each state I get this symbol. And now instead of using a discrete value, if I'm using a continuous value, supposedly sales for coloring, then I see that all my states are filled up with this gradient color. This gradient scale shows me the states with the lightest color are the ones which have minimum sales, and the states with the darkest color are having the maximum sales. So when you are using a continuous variable for coloring a map, you see that the maps are filled with the gradient color. And when instead of using a continuous variable, you are using a categorical variable to color a map, you see that all these states are represented by a symbol inside them, and they are not fully colored, only a symbol is there, and for each category there is a different color. So this way, on using measures versus dimensions in maps, the coloring differs. Now we'll check what's the difference when we are using discrete value as filters as compared to continuous values. So again, we'll remove this visualization, we'll create a new one. So I've got these subcategories and I'm seeing their sales over here. Okay, these are the sales across subcategories. Now if I would like to filter them using a discrete variable dimension, when I place it as a filter, I get this option that what all are the categories you would like to view. So supposedly I say all, and I apply over here. Then if I add it as a filter, if I show filter, then I get this option. So I can choose amongst what all values, what all category of products I would like to see, I can choose them from here. Now instead of using a discrete filter over here, had I used a continuous variable, what would have differed? I'll tell you what. Now instead of discrete, if I'm using continuous variable sales, it asks me that what is the aggregation you would like to use for this continuous variable. So supposedly I would like to use say sum over here, and I'm using next, and then it asks that what are the range of values you would like to display. Now I would like to display the range of values from 3024 to supposedly say 2,50,000. So I've applied it over here, and here it is. So now when I show it as a filter, from here I can select the values I would like to show. So when I increase the value, I see all the subcategories. When I decrease the range of the sales, like if I would like to say only the products whose sales ranges from this to this, then these are these products. Visual over here. So these are the products whose sales ranges from this value to this value, or the products whose sales lies within supposedly 99,000 units. So these are the 7 products whose sales lies between 99,000 sales. Now if I increase it, I get all the subcategory products. So in this way, based on the difference in the category of the filter, the filter values and the options to select differ. So I hope the use of continuous and discrete variables as filters, as coloring in maps is quite clear to everyone. So now let's move to our next topic.